Alright, so I'm here in Chorley. What I want to do today is show you how to double stripe your lawn. Some people are still having issues with it, but we've got the double stripes here now, so it's a perfect opportunity to do a video on it today. So let's have a recap of what I did over the last few weeks. About 4 weeks ago I came with a Sterling and I gave it a bit of a renovation with the Scarifier. And then about 10 days ago I put some Equinox HD on, that kicked in. I came on Friday last week and it was looking smart, and I thought we can go one further than this, so I put a dose of Galactic on and we join it today behind me as you see it, looking absolutely bob on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the hair out first, cut one way, and then we'll get the eyelet out and cut it the other way, and then you should definitely know how the double stripes work. So let's get on with it. Just a short one today for you on how to do your double stripes. If you can't pick it up now, I'm not going to do another video, so I think you're going to be single forever. So join me next time when we're doing something else lawn related, but until then, take care and we'll see you soon.